All right, this is going to be Hey 19 by Steely Dan. We're going to start out, one guitar hits a C sharp note, 4th fret of the A string, and that starts a little solo. So we're going to have, so you bend that G string up, that 4th fret, pull it off, bend it back up again. So we got, then we're going to come up to the octave of that, 7th fret, 1st string. So we got, so bend it up, pull it off to the 5. Bend it up again, back to the 5, a little different though. Got that pull off to the 2 7s. Got a little 5 here on the 2nd string. Before we take that slide down, 6 to 4 to 2. So we got. So when we slide down, we're going to bend this 4 to the little 2. Up and down. 2 on the G to 4 on the D string, F sharp. So we got. Then we got this high riff. So that's 9 to 12. Back to that 9, and that's on the small string. To the 12 on the B. So we actually hit that like 3 times in a row. Then we do a double pull off there, 12, 11, 10. Slide it down and hit the 5. Okay, that's it for that little quick solo. So the other chords are gonna be going, you got that first thing, and then you wait for the bass note on this F sharp. You could kind of hit that if you want, but we're waiting on a high chord here, so we got boom. Okay, so our chords are going to be, we're going to wait on this high chord here. This is 9, 10, and 12. So we got, be a F sharp bass note we wait on. So it's boom. And we hit that one. And then we take this 9, 9, and 7. Slide it down 2 to the 7, 7, 5. And we got it again. Boom. Chink. So we're going to have that bass note. Boom. Now we're going to come in here and we're going to go 11, 11, and 9 with like palm mute. Hit that one again. Slide again, and then we're going to come down the other way. So that's 9 on the B, 11, 11, and 9 on the A also. It's like an F sharp sus2 kind of chord at that point. Okay? So we got boom. Now we have this minor 7, F sharp minor 7, to an A7, 9. So this one is 9, mute the D string, and then 9, 10, 9, like a little D shape down there. We got, and this one is 12, 11, 12, 12, 12. Now we're gonna hit this chord. It's gonna be on the A string going down to the B string. We got 9, 9, 9, and 10. And now we have like a G7, 9, 13 with a 12 down here. So it's 10, 9, 10, 10, 12. So that was. And then we're going to have sliding into what looks like an A chord. It's 6, 5, 5. It's really part of an F sharp minor type thing. That's part of a C sharp minor 7. That's going to be like a D shape here. 4, 5, 4. So we're going to have. And then part of an A minor 7, we got the 5 on the D, 5 on the G, 5 on the B. So those last ones were 5s there, okay? So we got. Okay, so let's get the whole intro here. We got boom. And then we start the main vamp. We got a D major here, 5 on the A with the 7s here. We got the F sharp bass with the thumb, and then we got this D with the F sharp bass chord. We got 4 in the D, 2, 3, 2. We got that thumb bass. We're gonna do a thumb bass and get a G. That's gonna be big 3 and that mute the A, and then 5, 4, 3. We're also gonna go up to an A with that same shape. So we got. Now, second time through that thing, you got a C sharp to A. You could go. It's probably some other instrument, but you can kind of cover it, and it kind of splits up your little parts. They're kind of cool. So. So at that point, we have this sliding chord. It's kind of an F to a G type thing. It's like a 5, 5, 6, 5 going up to the 7, 7, 8, 7. So this is the whole kind of verse thing. We got D with the F sharp bass. We got G to A. Then we got D with the F sharp bass, G, and then the C sharp to A. And then we go around again. This, and then we got the next time we come through the fourth time, we're gonna have that. So let's look at that verse again. 3, 4. Now we go. Okay, so that was a B minor 7, 7, mute the A, and then 7, 7, 7. Up to a C sharp minor 7, same shape with 9s. And then we're gonna come down here, G major 7, 5 on the D string with 7s underneath it. And this is kind of a G7 sharp 9. So that's gonna be 3 on the D, then 4, then 5, 5. So once again, that was B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, then G sharp major 7, and then G7 sharp 9. And then we're back to the Now going to that next verse, we can do a little double stop slide. We got the 5 on the D and 5 on the B. 5, 6, 7, and that starts our D chord. We're gonna do that again. We got our changes. You could also do those because those are the same types of chords, like the G major 7 type of G major 7. It's a little different kind of, but then you got the G7 raised 9. So we got the, or you could have done these two for the last two chords, and then we got our And then we wait for an E bass. We have this. That's gonna be a C minor 7. So what we had here was like an E minor 7, kind of wait on the E bass. We don't have to hit the E bass. We kind of go, we wait for that, and we got. So that's like an E minor, 9, 9, and 8 from the D down to the B to the 7s, which is a D chord. So you got boom. Now here's a C minor 7, 8, 10, and all 8s. We got this little lead. So we got boom. So 6 to 8 and back. to the 8 on the second. Quick one there, quick to this. Let those go kind of slow back and forth. So, And then you wait on the bass, boom, we're gonna go F to E flat. And that's a G major 7 with an A bass. So our chord here was these 10s on those same strings we've been doing to the 8s and back. That's a F to an E flat and back. So we got boom. And that is an A bass with a 5, 4, 3, 2. So we got And then we're back to. Then we got. So we're gonna slide into this 12, little 10, 12, bend it, down and pull off. We got these 3 bottom 5 sliding into 7s to that 10 right there, and then little double stop 6 to 7 to start the new kind of vamp on the D. So once again, we got. And then we're back into the vamp. And now we start not doing the turnaround thing. They start singing the Cuervo Gold stuff. But we don't do those little fills. And then there's a little lead, so we got. So right after that A comes in, it's like. We got a little 7 to 10 on the B. So we got the 7 to 10, we got. And then we're gonna slide in 7 to 9 on the G to that 10 on the B, and then 8, 7 to 7 on the D. And then we go. So that was 9, 10, 9 down to 7. So we got. Then we got 7 on the B, 9 on the G, 7, 9. So we got a little 7 on the second string, quick slide 9 to 11 on the G, same type of thing on this 5 to the 7, 9 on the G, and then we got a 3 here, 4 to 6, 5 and 5. We bend the 12 on the B to the little 12, and then we got a 10 here, look at these same notes. And then we got. So that was 9 on the D, 7 to 7 coming down, 10 to 9 on the G there after that. So 7, 9, 9, 10, 9, and then down here, 9, 8, 7, 10. So once again, that was. Then we get back into having the fills. Okay, so that's basically it. You got Hey 19 by Steely Dan. Thanks a lot for watching. I got a bunch of other Steely Dan stuff if you want to go check out my Steely Dan playlist. So cool. We'll see y'all soon. Thanks a lot.